Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kenya, and if this is your first time tuning in to my channel, don't forget to smash the heck out that subscribe button before y'all leave and hit that like button, join the fam, and let's just go ahead and jump right into the video. So as you can tell by the title, yes, I'm doing a revamp of this video. I did do this video before on my channel months ago, but honestly it wasn't of good quality, and I kept telling myself I need to redo the video. So this is the finishing product of it. So let me go ahead and show you guys real quick how I achieve this look. Okay, so I'm gonna be doing this video this way. I hope you guys can hear me. If you can't hear me, most likely I will probably just do a voiceover, and I hope like hell that it stays focused. So I like to separate the part that I'm going to be basket weaving, which is most likely just the back is going to be going up. I'm going to be including the front, but just not yet. So I'm just going to part off the top of my hair, like more than halfway. It's gonna be part off. I hope you guys can see. This is gonna be an epic fail if you can't see. But let me just part off the top of my hair. I like to take the middle. I like to take one side. You see, it kind of ends like right here to my neck. So I take like this amount on this side, because this is the side that I'm going to be bringing over. So I take that, separate it over here, take another section the same way I did over there, which is going to be ending like, so it's not in, I'm not pulling from the middle. This is going to be the middle. I'm like kind of doing a mohawk. So I got this section over here, this section here, and this section in the middle. So I like to start off with 3 sections, one here, and one here. So with the middle, let me go ahead and take out these right here. I like to leave these down here from the middle, because that's what I'm going to start off with, like from the bottom. So I go ahead and I take these 2 out, and that's all I'm doing with this middle part, is just taking that out. Everything else is staying the same. Then go ahead and bring this up. Make sure it's nice and neat. And bring it all the way up to where your basket weave is going to end. Okay? So now you can take this out and this one out. Move it up higher into a loose ponytail. And the only reason why I keep putting it up into a ponytail is because it's just, it comes out a lot neater to me. Versus me having all the hair in the way, I end up leaving one out, or it end up not being nice and smooth. So in order for me to see what I'm doing, I like to just do all this extra steps. So you don't have to, but this is for people who have shorter locks. It's just to keep things out the way. And you're able to see each lock this way, in my opinion. So I just went ahead and moved it up a little bit. It's in a loose ponytail because it's going to come out. But I want it loose because I'm going to be pulling out from these ponytails. Now let's just go ahead and start. I think that was enough rambling, but I'm looking hella crazy. I'm going to be going row by row. Starting with the first 2, all I did was just cross it. That's all I did. Cross it, and I'm moving everything up this way. I'm not holding it out like this. Everything is going to be laid up against this middle ponytail. Okay, you can use a hand to hold it up, but make sure it always stays within here. Don't let the hair start going over here or anything. Everything needs to be going up. You could go ahead and take this one and move it over there. So you're just going to be doing a crisscross. This one is from the bottom row, so I'm just taking it, crossing it from left to right. Taking this last one from right to left. Next row. Taking this, everything from this second row and crossing it over. Going to this second row, crossing over. See that? I hope you can see. Go to this row, crossing over. Going to this row. This row has 3. That's fine. Crossing it over. Everything is still going towards the middle. Take everything from this row. Crossing it over. This row. So I'm doing row by row. Crossing it over. Oh my gosh, my hands are getting so weak. If you want to pull directly from the front, or you just want to leave some at the front, you can. I'm going to be leaving just a few at the front because I don't like to pull my edges. So I'm going to be pulling from the front and crossing over. Oh my gosh, my hand hurts, y'all. Whew, my hand hurts. I ain't gonna lie. This sucks, but my hand hurts. From this side, my ponytail is getting looser and it's getting weaker, so if the hair starts falling out, that's fine. All I did was just cross this one over. You still got more in your ponytail? I still have more. So I'm going to be taking a little bit more from the front, joining it to the ones that's from the back, same row. Crossing it over. This is the reason why I separate my ponytails and I keep them in ponytails, because your hair is going to constantly fall back and get in the way, and you're going to get so confused and end up pulling from wrong places. So that explains why I prefer to just keep everything organized. So I'm still going to have some, still got some left over in this ponytail. Make sure it's twist because it looks like it's coming out nice and neat. I don't know if I'm gonna keep on going. It's starting to get really high and really full. So I don't know, I could still go. All I did was took everything from that ponytail. Take some more. Hope you guys can see. This is just being held with just my hand, y'all. Nothing else but my hand. And I got a lot of hair still left right here. All right, go ahead and grab your bobby pin, hairpin, whatever type of pin you have to secure. I have one of these pins right here that's closed. I'm gonna use that to secure the top. Use as much pins as you think is necessary. I just used 2. I'm trying to go down so y'all can see. I just used 2, but do I think that that's securing? No. Probably temporary, yes. But I just put another one right there. I don't know if this one is even doing anything. It doesn't look like it because my hair look like it's coming up. So I'm gonna grab another one. When you got short dreads, y'all have to use as much pins as the middle is still up, what we use as the base, and the sides, the 2 side ponytails are now open. Now with the front, so guys, this is what I decided to do with the front. Nothing much. My hair is pretty short, so it's not much I can do. And I don't really like to put any tension on the front of my hair anyway. But this is, so this is what I did with the front. All I did was just pinned it up. I just took some pins and pinned it down because it was just sticking out. And the front, I just left it down. So let me just give you a side view of what it looks like right here. This is the back. Right here, and the top is just pinned. So that's the finishing product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Follow me on my social media, which will be listed down below, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Toodles.